Gary. Okay, hi everyone. So we went to the went to the beauty supply store, and I found this hairbrush. It came just like this. I've not used it before. It was $3.95. 99 cents. This is what it looks like. Let me take it out of the packaging, and then we will show you if it's so. This is a test, and the reason why I'm using Eniola and I'm not using Tolani is because Eniola's hair is much thicker than Tolani's hair. So this is what the brush looks like. It looks just like this. And it says, they say that you can actually do what with it. It's a three-way. So it's from Annie. The brand that we got is from Annie. And I believe Kiss also has a brand. So what does it say it can do?
It is a three-way multi-style comb. It can coarse teeth. It has coarse teeth to remove knots. It has fine teeth to easily detangle. And it has a pointed tip to section precisely. And it's super easy to clean.
So it's super easy to clean. So this is supposed to be used to easily remove knots. I don't know. And then this one is for the fine teeth, and this is for sectioning. Now the sectioning area, this is what we use to section normally. We use this to section. That's how we get a clean section. This here, I don't know if it's gonna do it for us. Okay, so I don't know, it's kind of thick. So, and then to detangle hair, we normally either use a white tooth comb like this, okay, not like that, or we use our tangle buster that looks like this for this side. So this one is kind of a little bit similar, you can kind of see it. So we're gonna test this out. Start off, I'm just gonna section our hair. I'm gonna walk on this section first. So this section is a more looser section of our hair. So let's use the comb. Can you give me the comb? I'm going to use the comb, and I'm going to show you if the sectioning part works well. So let's start off easy. So this is the sectioning part. She has already sectioned this, okay, and then let's section. Let's see if we section this. Let me spray our hair first. A little bit dry, okay. And then I'm gonna section it. Let's see how good of a sectioning tool this is. Okay, so yeah, like I gotta go over and over the sections, but you know, if you're someone that you don't mind that kind of sectioning, it's sectioning well. So so this is a section that the comb uses, created, I should say. Now this is the section that my comb, so this is my metal tip comb. So this is a section that my comb creates. I think my comb is very much more precise, and I can create, if I want to create very thin sections, my comb does a better job at doing it. So now you can see this is my section. Okay, so the sectioning part isn't too bad. This is mine, and then this is that other one. So that isn't too bad. I think it's okay. It's okay. Now let's say we want to detangle this section right over here. Okay, so we will let's first spray it with some liquid. Right now I'm just using water, because I'm going to put her into twist and I don't want to put too much products on it. And I'm just using water to activate whatever product she had on it. So what product did you have on it earlier?
The 14-in-1.
Okay, she had the 14-in-1. Okay, so this is her hair. I don't know why she wore a black shirt. Yeah. Okay, but that's okay. So this says, this part says it will detangle, remove knots. So we do have some knots in here. So I'm going to try and see if it works really well. It's okay. Does that hurt? My thing is that the grip, it doesn't have, the grip is kind of slippery just because of the product you use. But overall, you can see it's working well. I think you need to change your shirt because your hair is dark and the shirt is dark. But see, I think it's working well. the amount of hair that came out from that section, you see it's just that little, just this hair, a little bit of hair, and it does detangle it well, so I can go from the scalp area. Does that feel good? And I can go, and it actually does a good job. Yeah, look at that. It actually does a good job. Wow. Okay, so that's one part. So that's the second thing that it can do. I'm gonna just twist this away, and then I'm gonna work on the second part. So the second part, I'm taking this part of the hair, and it says it can easily, the fine teeth can also detangle. So let's spray it with some water. Okay. And I'm going to use the fine teeth right over here, and this part, and let's see if that works. Okay, that one I gotta really work it through. And remember, and it's slipping off my hand just because I'm not used to such a thin handle right over here. So let's continue. Wow, it's working fine. Oh, that's the that's the other section. Okay, the fine section is a bit harder. See, this is a fine teeth area.
And I think I'm losing more hair.
You're losing more hair in the fine teeth area. Yeah, the fine teeth area, I think if you're someone that you have permed hair, that will work better. Or yeah, see, this one is a bit of a struggle for me. So, but I think if I go with the thicker section, that one works better. And I feel for me, I have to pretty much hold it almost like this. I can't hold it like this, because if I hold it at the handle area, watch what happens. I can't get a good grip. See, I can't get, it just keeps on rolling. If I hold it at the handle area, it doesn't, the grip is not good, it's slippery. So the fine teeth area, she seems to be losing more hair. Can you guys see?
Yeah, like
that's more hair, and she has more hair falling on her body right now. So overall, I think, what do you think overall?
Overall,
It's okay. It's okay. Is this something you should rush out and buy?
No.
No. Is it worth $4?
No.
No, because the other ones we got them for 99 cents. Apart from the Tangle Buster, the Tangle Buster was about, I think I bought it for like $7, $9 or whatever. But yeah, so this is not something that will emit all brushes. I don't think so. Yeah. But overall, I think since I already have it, maybe I'll just use it in case the girls lose a brush. So like if I use it like this section is better than this section. I wouldn't use this section on our hair. So, or maybe, does it give a good massage? Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have used this before and you think we're using it the wrong way,
let us know.
Let us know. Okay, let us know. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and share this to the world, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.